Fisker becomes latest to adopt Tesla NACS connector. Fisker announced today that it will be the latest automaker to adopt Tesla's North American charging standard NACS, giving its customers access to the company's Supercharging Network in 2025. Fisker came to an agreement with Tesla that will see the automaker give owners a NACS adapter to plug in at superchargers across the US and Canada for the first time in Q1 2025. Later, Fisker will update vehicle engineering to include an NACS inlet, it said. When that occurs, a CCS adapter will be provided to owners so that they can use EV chargers with that standard. The move will provide Fisker owners with additional charging options, taking advantage of Tesla's 12,000 supercharger stations in the United States and Canada. All current and future Fisker vehicles will be covered by the agreement, a press release from Fisker said in a press release. Ford was the first automaker to commit to adopting Tesla's NACS charger design in late May. Tesla CEO Elon Musk and Ford CEO Jim Farley made the announcement on X, formerly known as Twitter. Ford will start providing adapters to its customers next year, and not in 2025, as Fisker has committed to for its drivers. Ford will have its vehicles fitted with the NACS inlet in 2025. The list of automakers that have chosen to adopt NACS continues to grow. However, there are several car companies that are not yet convinced of the idea. Hyundai and Volkswagen are two of the more EV-committed legacy car companies that have still not chosen to use NACS in the US and Canada in the coming years. However, both companies are not totally against the idea, according to our previous reports. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at Teslarati.